practice more short vowel sounds, you will need a piece of paper and a pen or a pencil. You are going to write the word that you hear. If you do not have a piece of paper and a pen or pencil, press the pause button and get them. The first word is man. Man. What vowel do you need to write? Man. The second word is men. Men. What vowel do you need to write? The next word is six. 6. 10. 10. All right. First word, man. The letter A. Men. The letter E. 6. I. 10. Letter E. Next word, box. Box. Rug. Rug. Mud. Mud. Sit. First one, box. Rug. Mud. Sit. Sad. Egg. Hip. Mom. Sad. Egg. Hip. Mom. Cup. Pot. Lip. Pen. Cup. Pot. Lip. Pen. Dip. Hum. Pop. Zip. Dip. Hum. Pop. Zip. Job. Dig. Tap. Let. Job. ah. Dig, I. Tap, ah. Let, eh. Hop, ah. Mix, I. Rip, I. Hop, ah. Mix, I. Rip, I. Van, ah. Hum, jet, eh. Van, ah. Hum, jet, eh. Pat, ah. Pat, ah. Fed, eh. Pop, ah. Fin, I. Pat, ah. Fed, eh. Pop, ah. Fin, I. Yes, eh. Hat, ah. Fat, ah. Wig, I. Yes, eh. Hat, ah. Fat, ah. Wig, I. How did you do? You can go back to the beginning and try again. And keep listening. The more you listen, the easier it becomes.